Hey, this is Bruce Stewart, and I'm going to show us how to grant access to an email account. Here at the Board of Education at Elbert County, what we do is all the faxes come to an email account. So Blackwell comes to the Blackwell account, so I'm going to go here, and I'm going to sign in to Blackwell Fax. I change the password and I log in just as if it were my email account. And here's all the faxes, and I'm going to delegate access to this account to Sonia Barnett so she can get this in her emails. So I go to settings, and then I go to accounts. See, it says grant access to your account. So I'm going to say Sonia Barnett. It didn't like the format there, so I'll say. Now it's going to send her an email. And then what she will do is she'll access the email, and then it's pending right now, once she accepts it and clicks on the link, then she'll be able to go into this email. And it'll be kind of like I'm in right now if I were in the inbox here. And I could go to my email and then the fax email. That's the same thing she'll do. She'll just go to open up that email account, Blackwell Fax, and she'll have access to all these in another tab. It'll be like her email and the fax. All right? So that was our little 2-minute lesson for today.